PIA Central Visayas continues its mandate in communicating accurate, timely, and relevant information to the Filipinos. For the priority thrust of the Office of the President, PIA 7 intensified its efforts on EO 70 with the creation of the Regional Task Force in Ending Local Communist Armed Conflict. The PIA represented PCOO as lead of the Strategic Communication Cluster with several outputs. This quarter, President Duterte visited the wake of slain policemen ambushed by the NPA in Gihulngan, Negros Oriental. The President also spearheaded the groundbreaking ceremony of the housing project for landslide victims in Naga City. In such visit, PIA 7 provided technical assistance from the pre-visit to the actual visit, detailing its accomplishments in a post-report. As an active member on the IATF on preventing countering violent extremism, PIA 7 talked before members of the tourism sector in Bohol and Bantayan Island, Cebu, on responsible sharing of information related to security concerns. PIA 7 also did the legwork in inviting over 200 participants to the FOI Multi-Sectoral Forum of the PCOO in Cebu and Bohol. We facilitated the press conference and also covered the FOI campus caravan in both provinces. Our outputs included news stories and SM contents. We coordinated closely with PCOO for the coverage of the visit of PCOO Sec Martin Andanar in Carcar City. Sec Andanar was in Carcar City for the Rehabilitation event, an anti-drug campaign which is the flagship program of President Duterte. PIA 7 continually provides intensive communication support to sister government agencies and other partners to keep the Filipinos informed of the programs, services, and accomplishments of the government. For the past quarter, PIA Central Visayas has accomplished 444 news releases, 1,061 SMS, 154 text blasts, 732 local issues and concerns, and 159 technical assistance. PIA Central Visayas also attended and facilitated 52 fora, 46 radio programs, 12 radio guestings, 95 interagency meetings, and 24 press conferences. PIA 7 will continue to perform its mandate in line with the agency's vision of empowering communities through timely, relevant, and accurate information.